Happy Friday everybody. It was an exhausting but also very satisfying week. I got lots of shit done. I especially uploaded the full video of this tank here on YouTube. Find the link in the description or on my Instagram profile. Bigger maintenance session on the window aquarium. The tubes were dirty. The glassware was dirty. I had some surface film. The glass itself was dirty. And the stones had to be scrubbed down properly. The brush I just used is really helpful. I'm gonna drop a link below in the description and in my Instagram profile as well. This tank looks so satisfying when it's cleaned up. It's amazing.
Hey everybody, Fabian here, and as you can see, it's cuddle time. But I wanted to remind you that IAPLC season is coming in. In general, aquascaping contests are fun, so I can really recommend you to take part, participate. So it's free, it's fun. Just do it. Just scape it. Happy weekend.